Hey guys, Sylvia here, and today we are reviewing Chronos Manager. So this is my Chronos Manager review, and here I am right inside this software. So it's a cloud-based software. It's going to be like your personal time manager, okay? So this software will help you organize your time. This has been specifically created for affiliate marketers because it also is connected to Magi, where all of the vendors launch the products. So you can access Warrior Plus, JVZoo, upcoming products. And you can, jot it all down, all of the information that you need to do your reviews, affiliate reviews. Inside of this software, you can control everything. You can, stay on track because this is critical, to master time management. So that's what the software is all about, guys. If that's a tool you think you need and you'd like to find out more about it, how it all looks inside, stay with me because I'll show you. I will open everything for you so you can see what you will get. And also for those who decide to buy Chronos Manager via the link below, I have some custom-made bonuses which I am giving away free of charge for my buyers who decide to buy from me. So let's start with my bonuses, guys. On my bonus page you will have some information on what this product is all about. So Chronos Manager. So they say, time management is one of the most important skills to have, but it is often a concept that many businesses and people struggle with. Small businesses in particular cannot afford to waste time with bad time management and inefficiency. However, the benefits of good time management practices are immeasurable. Businesses that utilize good time management are better positioned to consistently deliver their product or service on time. So yes, time is money, and being able to manage time saves you a lot of money and makes you a lot of money. So yeah, you can read through this, all of it. So it just says it's a personal time manager. With Chronos Manager, you will never again be inefficient with your time. With Chronos Manager, you get an event manager, calendar, a note maker, a to-do list manager, and integrated, as I already said, access to magi.com, so you'll never miss those important upcoming product launches. So again, perfect for affiliate marketers. Perfect. Here's the prices. We'll go through them later on, guys. I just want to show you the bonuses first, and also you have a full demo of how this software works. So here's my bonuses, which have been prepared by my mentor, John Armstrong, and he has allowed me to use them and share them with those who decide to buy Chronos Manager via the link below my video. So the bonus number 1 is access 0 to 100 in 24 hours. So this is a method that's going to show you how to make this money. Bonus number 2 is 10 local SEO hacks you probably didn't know. So local SEO hacks. So SEO is search engine optimization. So all about ranking high on Google, all about being able to be found by people. And then bonus number 3 is 2,000 copy-paste emails. It's going to help you immensely with email marketing. We know, as affiliate marketers, we want to create an email list. Email marketing is an awesome way to make money online, obviously. And you will have those copy and paste emails inside of that bonus. And then bonus number 4 is so-called access atomic done for you. So you'll have done for you campaigns which have been selling very, very well. And bonus number 5, last but not least, is all vendor bonuses, because the guys who are behind Chronos Manager have thrown a bunch of bonuses on top of just the front end. So guys, to buy this Chronos Manager, you go below my video and the link will take you to this bonus page, where you just smash one of these blue buttons, and then you will be sent to the sales page. As you can see on the sales page, you will have this pop-up which will give you $5 discount, guys. You just have to kind of like scroll down and then go back up. You pretend you want to exit the sales page, and this pop-up is gonna come up and give you this $5 off. So anyhow, on this sales page, you will just smash this, click here to get instant access now, and that's the way to buy it. And after that, you will be sent an email that will redirect you to a platform called Warrior Plus. This one here, guys. And just to make it clear for you, my bonuses will be here. The bonuses I have just shown you on my bonus page will be here, where you see the blue button, and the green one will be Chronos Manager. And all... Hey, sorry, that was my dad telling me that going somewhere. Anyhow, so, and all of the vendors bonuses, as I was saying. So yeah, the green button here. Alright guys, so let's check out the sales page quickly. I mean, I'm loving the software. You know, it seems like such a useful, handy piece of software tool. You know, it's a must really if you want to stay organized. So they say Chronos Manager, easy to use and set up, cloud-based software, no downloading or installs. Breakthrough software organizes our time in a few simple clicks, giving us back our freedom. Because yeah, if you manage your time well, you have more free time. So cloud-based software, no downloading or installs, easy to use, 100% newbie friendly, much integrated calendar, event calendar, notes maker, to-do lists, complete members area and training. Yeah, they give you the training. I mean, you will see in the members area. I'll show you in a second. 0 monthly fee, so it's one-time payment during the launch, and 30-day money-back guarantee, top-notch support, so great support as well. Right, so these are the guys who are behind the products. Actually, my colleagues from my Affiliate Training Course, Ministry of Freedom, so Sai Krishna and J. Lee Saunders. Yeah, he's like a product developer and marketer. Very friendly guy, by the way. Anyhow, so I would encourage you to check out the rest of the sales page in your own time. Yeah, it's rather lengthy. Let's check out the members, first the members area. Okay, so that's the members area, guys. So you'll have like a welcome video here from Jay Lee and from a partner. And then how to use the Chronos Manager. So you can access the software. I'll be showing you the software from here, and then using how to use every single of the features. So you will have all of it explained, how to use the calendar templates, the note maker, the to-do section, and the conclusion. And you see here you have all of the bonuses. So the traffic handbook, the green system, that was JD's previous launch. So it's like the whole course on actually affiliate marketing. And then YouTube Ads Excellence, profit from PER, sorry. And there's another bonus as well, and here you can access the upgrades from inside the members area, and some unadvertised bonuses as well. Wow, and special training and the member support. So that's what we have inside the members area. Cool. And yeah, you just start the course here and you go one by one, complete. You know the drill. You know how it works. So it's like, you complete the course. You have 24 lessons here, And now let's check out the software. So here you have this like calendar, right? So I love it because, you know, I personally love to stay organized. I use a calendar, like a Google Calendar myself, for all of my, you know, reviews. It's absolutely critical to stay, you know, organized like that. So if you want to schedule one, so you just click on the day, and then you open it here. You'll have this like green button here, and as you can see, you will just have to input all of the info you will need as an affiliate marketer. So the title of whatever you will be promoting, the launch, where you see this location, I normally put in the JV page, and then all of the, so you have the date here and all of the description. So you add the description, and you can use this template here actually. So in this template you have it ready for you. Okay, let's just wait for it to load up. So voila, here we have it. So you see you have this template here, so you can just copy and paste. And if we go back to scheduling, to that feature, yeah, that's what it looks like. Again, you click on this green button here, and this all of that pops up. So here you input the affiliate link, the sales page, JV doc, review article. So you have it already. That's how I have it organized as well. So it takes me like seconds to open everything up, and boom, I'm doing my review. I have it all like in one place. Okay, so apart from that, we have the notes maker. So you can, you know, make your notes here. So and keep it all in one place. All right, and notes to remember and to-do list, to-dos. All right, so again, nicely organized, very clean, immaculate. And from here you can access the upcoming launches. So from Warrior Plus or JVZoo, it's gonna take you to Munch Eye as well. Well, it's gonna take you to the Munch Eye website, where you can, yeah, you have all the launches, you know, within one click, so you can stay on top of the game. Sorry, my internet is slowing down, but you know, you've probably seen the Munch Eye if you're an affiliate marketer. So yeah, from here you go, and you apply for your affiliate links and all of that, and then you just put that info inside your Chronos Manager. So it's cool, I love it. So guys, let's check out now the prices. So they are right on my bonus page, which is below my video, and the front end is going at $37. So it's access to this powerful Chronos Manager software and training modules. But as I well remember, right on the sales page there was this $5 off, so you're getting this for $30. And then you have upsell number 1, Chronos Manager for Android, so for $27, and downsell for $17. So fully functioning, no limitation, cloud-based Chronos Manager software. You can use it for your Android mobile phone. Okay, cool. Upsell number 2 is Chronos Manager Plus for $37. $27 is a downsell, so it's going to have like this additional functionality, like an additional software called Pomodoro time management software. Okay, you can read all about it on my bonus page, guys. Now, upsell number 3 is coaching for $97 or $77 downsell, and upsell number 4 is $9.97, ooh la la, quite expensive, but this is where you can launch products with them, so you can become a vendor, and it's a big thing to launch a product, so, they give you this opportunity, you can do it with them. Anyhow, guys, that was my Chronos Manager review. I hope you have enjoyed it and you have found it helpful. If that's something for you guys, you can buy it via the link below my video. Okay, ciao, have a beautiful day. I shall see you in my next review. Bye bye.